Here I've got V-MOBILE S39 and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the list and find language and input. And now click on language. So it is the first tab. Now you can come along with all the list of languages, pick someone that suits you most. So let me pick, for example, Filipino. And that's it. As you can see, the language has been changed and everything now is in Filipino. Then if you would like to go back to the English or some other language, just look for this icon, which is for language and input. Then pick the first tab, which is for language. And now pick the language that you would like to have. So I will go back to English. And that's it. As you can see now, the device is back in English, so you can use it confidently. And that would be all. This is how you can change language in your device, in your V-MOBILE S39. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.